Let's go. Sarap nga. Tulog. Ang mura ng mga drinks dito. Motor here. Let's try this. First bite. For today's video, we're going to Vietnam!
Boarding time for 420, initial gate 104.
Thank you. You're now in Marhaba Lounge. Katapos natin mag-drop off ng luggage natin and pass the security. Let's try this. We're going to the gates now. It's already 4 AM and our flight is doing. So we're gonna check our gates if nagbago ba. Hey, boarding now.
To increase air, push pin inwards to release. Our time difference between Manila, Philippines and Hanoi, Vietnam.
Currently, we just got here in Noi Bai International Airport. After this, we'll just book Grab going to Old Quarter sa Hanoi. We're just waiting for our luggage.
Yeah, different Praia.
Guys, we're going to Cafe Giang for the famous egg coffee. Just 4 minutes walk from here. So excited to try that. Look at those motors. Ang dami. Tapos, ganito sila mag-park kung saan lang. So ikaw mismo yung iiwas dun sa sa mga nakapark na motor or kotse or whatnot. Diba? Parang nasa Quiapo lang. Let's go. Ganito pagtawid dito. Walang stoplight. Kanya-kanya lang. We're here. Bango. Ganito siya, guys. For two. I'm with my friend, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. Doon tayo. That's the menu.
Walang Spanish lang.
Nabubuklat siya. Ito yung egg coffee. Egg coffee isa, tapos
Coffee and then
salt or coconut. Ito na lang. 1 salted cream coffee, ice. Then 1 egg coffee, ice. Then 1 banh mi. No banh mi. Okay. Ito yung egg coffee, ito salt. Let's try the egg coffee first. Without mixing it, just try lang natin yung mismong foam coffee. Foam egg foam. Sarap. This one is the salted cream coffee. Let's try this then. Sarap nga. Sarap. Lahat masarap. I'll mix this na.
With it after about 2 seconds.
Ang maganda naman dito guys, kahit papaano, may mga puno, so makulimlim. May lilim pa rin kahit papaano. Unlike sa atin, pag naglakad ka, puro buildings na lang yung dadaanan mo. Dito, yan. Katulad dito, may mga puno sila, like this. So in a way, may mga part na hindi mainit. Jackfruits. Daming fruits dito. Parang sa Pilipinas lang yung mga fruits. Almost lahat, yung mga binibenta. Sa gilid-gilid, marami nagbebenta. Sa atin wala eh, palengke pa. Kailangan pumunta sa palengke. Meron yung mga store sa daan. Kasi sa mga coffee shop. Finally, dito na kami sa hotel guys. After 8 minutes walk, init. Quick room tour. Okay. King size bed. Same table here. And TVs. And dito may mga ano rin, cabinets. Tapos a big bathroom here. Pagod. Big bathtub. Malinis, in fairness naman. So, that's it for the room tour. Dito sa Delica Hotel. Ang mura nito guys, like less than 2K. Yeah. Or 1.8 lang ata per night. Pero ang ganda. Malaki na siya for its price. Tapos maganda rin yung location sa Old Quarter. So I recommend this hotel. Delica Premium Hotel. Currently inside the Grab car now. And we're going to Boncha, Obama. And the mura ng Grab nila, 35,000 to. Around 70 pesos lang. Pero may promo sila. Tapos in-avail ko yung offer. Tapos naging free lang Grab card natin. Haircut by the road. Guys, we're currently here in Buncha Hain Long something. For here. Sorry. Can we share the table? Thank you. This is the menu. Where Obama and Anthony Bourdain dito sila kumain ng buncha. That's why it's famous. First time to try this buncha. Look. Noodles, some soup with beef, then some vegetables. Tamis. Ito masarap. It's good. Dami ng noodles.
Birthday.
Sarap na. Even the beef.
Did you put it in here?
The lime though.
I only put it because that guy did it. I was like, that's a pro move right there. You're not doing it.
Sarap. You got some coriander. Ang dami. Ang dami.
Yeah, I wish this.
Lagay natin na. We also have some garlic. Ang dami. We just finished the buncha and it's so good. I recommend this buncha. The buncha Obama. We also met some friends here from US and lahat sila nagustuhan din nila yung buncha.
Oh, yeah. It's good doon. Sarap siya.
This is the aftermath. Ito mga coffee shops. Then andito yung buncha Hong Lien. Super sarap, promise. First time ko siya matry. Tapos sobrang sarap. Especially yung mga vegetable dun sa soup. The meat, perfect. 10 out of 10. Sarap. Guys, Barack Obama was here in this coffee shop. Salt coffee. Hello, do you have salt coffee?
Huh?
Salt coffee?
Sure. Salt coffee.
How much? 40. Salt coffee. Okay. Gonna mix it? Okay. Mix ko daw, guys. Barack Obama was here. Go! Gawin to Lotte Mall. Let's see kung masarap. Ang tapang niya. Ang ganda. Ang daming puno. Yan ang puro puno. Diba? Bakit walang ganito sa Philippines? Look guys, daan dito puro puno. Saan ka nakita? We're currently here in Lotte Mall, here in Vietnam, Hanoi. Look at that motors. Ang dami no? Puro motors kasi dito sa Vietnam. Pumunta sa Vietnam para mag-Uniqlo. Checking if may something new or limited edition dito sa Vietnam Uniqlo. So far, same but different. Yeah, same. Ang mura ng mga jeans dito. Tsaka polo sa Zara. Zara Vietnam. Looking for a shoe store. Parang ganda ng mall actually. Bago siya. Tapos, ang laki rin ng Uniqlo, Zara here. Wala pa kami nakikita ng shoe store. May iba lang. Marugami udon. Ang laki. Check lang natin if may okay na mag sa SB as a souvenir. Kasi nagko-collect ako ng Binder series na cup na mug. Ayan, meron. City of Peace. Ay, ang ganda. Maganda to. I'm gonna get this na. Kasi isa na lang siya eh. Not sure if sa ibang branch meron. Pero since isa na lang, baka meant na sa akin to. Kasi mostly Vietnam tsaka Ho Chi Minh na available. But I want the Hanoi one, the blue. Thank you! Guys, look at that. Namin talaga na lang motor here. Di ba? Oh, di ba? Nililig yung mga bata. Look there. here in big church sa Hanoi Cathedral, Catholic Church. Let's go.
One big side.
Yes.
And one banana there.
Yes.
Ice, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. Hindi siya matamis ah. Guys, nakita namin yung banh mi mama. Let's try the banh mi for dinner. Dinner na ba to? Hindi natin sure. The banh mi mama. The famous banh mi here in Hanoi. Oh my God. Guys, ang haba ng pila nito. We actually here for almost 15 minutes or 20 minutes na. We're still waiting for our order. Ano lang siya? Kalapit lang siya ng cathedral here. So malapit lang siya dun sa Kong Cafe tapos sa cathedral St. Joseph. Then dito, ang dami rin ng mga restaurants and street food. Guys, you ordered number 1. Bread with sausage, pork, egg, and pate. Not sure ano yung pate. Kung ano siya. Pero yun yung combo. Bango ng egg, no? Egg pala yun. We're still waiting for our order. Pero tinawag na kami. Guys, we ordered bread with egg, pork, sausage, and pate. Ito siya. Not sure if nakikita. Let's try this. First bite. Too crunchy. So far, parang normal banh mi lang. Nakuha ko lang ng sa lasa. Parang mas masarap pa yung banh mi sa Philippines. Not sure. Second bite. Third bite. Yeah. Wala siyang lasa for me. Okay lang. Parang di worth it yung pila. Yun lang sa akin. What are these? Banran. Bantom. We already finished the banh mi. And for me, hindi siya worth it. Kasi kulang siya sa lasa. Pero, and for its price, okay na rin. For 75 pesos. Pero yung banh mi mama kasi is famous here in Hanoi. Pero for me, baka mayroon pang mas better na banh mi. Let's try other banh mi. We're walking towards the train street. Hopefully may dumaan pa ng train. Pero it's too late na. Pero may mga coffee shop kasi doon in restaurants. Probably doon na kami mag-dinner. Nakasan lang ng loob guys, pagtawid. Hindi kami sobrang lapit kasi sarado na yung gate. Ang colorful! Guys. Picture tayo. Ang init. Looking for restaurant here. Wow. Grabe. Ang intense. We just got our avocado coffee. We got here is the rice omelette. Here. Then we also ordered avocado coffee. Also, we had skewers, chicken skewers. So, yeah, that's it for our dinner. Mukhang masarap, no? Guys, we just had a dinner here and sobrang sarap yung dinner. It's worth it. On the way to our hotel, just 6 minutes walk from here. Kakatapos namin pumunta sa Train Street. Okay yung dinner. For its price, tapos touristy ano siya, area. Masarap siya. Ang cool yung SB nila. Sa labas din may mga seats. Diba? SB natin hindi ganyan. Ang cool.